a person, right, like who doesn't necessarily know how a fraudster thinks might not be quite an effective fraud fighter. Because the thing is like, so if you think about sparring or like boxing or whatever martial arts like people are like thinking of, if you don't know the punch or kick that's coming towards you, then how can you defend from it? So to me, the reason why I want people to like, again, like a lot of like people are saying, hey, like, like you shouldn't do OpenClaw at work. Okay, then don't do it at work. Buy your own, go out there, go get your own Mac Mini or grab an old laptop that you have, run an instance of OpenClaw and try to like create like fraudster tactics and just really see like how powerful that is. Because the thing is like if you're just gonna read about it, then you're just reacting to the news. Like the thing is like you have to be at the forefront because everyone is like, and that's the new standard of like where you should be. So to me, I truly think people should stop reading about riding the bike and just buy a bike, get on one, and start learning.